The oil lamps. Kumartuli sculpture streets. We are approaching the Kumartuli districts.
In our home, we put this in this balcony, or just at the entrance, the living area, we put the flowers and these lamps. So during the festival of Diwali, you will find this type of lamps always.
There is a heavy traffic here. Truck traffic, so. Oh, they're beautiful. Yes. And here in the middle of the street, Ganesha. A little Ganesha temple. Yeah. Yeah. Shiva's son, Ganesha. And more Diwali things. This is Kali with the tongue out of her mouth.
Has a battle with the demon Rakta Bij. Rakta, blood, Bij, seed. So the demon was taking reincarnations from the blood droplets.
Okay.
And so while deading the demon, she was also sucking the blood and wearing a skull garland. And after the battle was over,
Yeah.
out of anger, she was unstoppable.
Okay.
And to calm her down, Lord Shiva lied on the floor. And when she stepped on Lord Shiva, she realized her mistake.
Okay. So it's
That's why her tongue is out. And she, iconography-wise, she wears a skull garland, and with her 4 hands on the top left hand, she holds a sword, and below left hand she holds a skull, and with the right hand she is giving us the blessings and the barabar, the assurance.
Okay. So it's Shiva laying on the floor?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, Shiva's
Valley. You have seen there, no?
yeah.
Statues.
This is Kali on Shiva in this working market. They are really working hard here. Everybody's working on these projects, from straw and clay. They make them. With artistry and talent. And you can see it's because of the cobra. This is a Shiva animal. Who are these men, these figures, these heads? Is it demons?
Demons.
Oh, a lot of demons she conquested.
No, it's the same demon.
Oh, it's the same demon, okay. She's
With its blood drops.
she's a power woman. Kali, a real power woman. And here, ready for work. There. And this is already made. Kali, the demon's head, and Shiva. This is a really busty kind of Kali, you can say. Wonderful, wonderful. Handwork.
What you do now?
All this. This is ready and packed, ready to go. Oh, he's a little afraid, I think. He had reason to be the power woman. Shiva. Is that the demon? This is the demon without head. Without head. This is Kali, I think, who had, or is it Kali? That's why the tongue is out. She's drinking blood. Oh, what a mess. This is Durga. Face of Durga. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So we'll be going inside, but inside videography not allowed.